I entered long here in H period. We broke above G inside bar and didn't continue higher at first, and at the second attempt I did enter long, but I got the worst possible price, and with a 5 point stop my exit is really poor, so it's a shitty trade. It's first day I am trying those free units to scale out. I like the idea of reducing risk as soon as possible, so here I wanted to exit small, well, small, 1/3 after initial pop, but entering at the, well, I can show it here, entering on a rotation higher, I am not giving it much wiggle room. Well, 5 points rotation down is basically less than we had today, so I maybe should be moving my stop below this line. Well, I will move only one unit, so just to see if this is the better place to have stop loss, but to be honest, I entered too early. My entry should be on a pullback lower, maybe from the middle of this rotation, so then I could have better risk reward odds. Now if I entered here, it's really shitty. I am risking quite a lot to get some reaction up, and it's not going to work that often, so poor trade management on my part. I'd like to enter here, in hindsight of course. I'd like to have a limit buy order here. You can see that this level was a nice support resistance earlier, so this would be an entry. I'd exit here, and my first scale out would be maybe in the middle of this range, so I can scale out as quick as possible. And now if I am exiting here, I'm giving like 8 points of wiggle room to know if I'm wrong, so I don't like this trade. And if I am now in this trade, should I exit right away or maybe just a tick below this level? It would be tick below here. So my later idea would be only with one tick stop loss. It's borderline, so I'm not sure, because we had this quick move up. I'm not sure if it was up. Well, it was down and up, rotational. So yeah, basically it's failed inside bar breakouts so far. I mean, I wish I was more patient, but earlier we had this inside bar breakout in D and it worked right away, so since it isn't working right away, maybe I should be exiting. We are having overlapping to lower value, and I am entering in the lower part of it, but within this small balance range I am entering at the at very bad prices, so not a great trade, to be honest. Maybe the idea is okay, but my entry and management is very bad. So I am I am still contemplating if I should stay in it or just exit. Maybe I will exit on the small rotation up, but man, it's tough, especially when I am in the trade. I have this tendency to just leave this trade open and do not intervene. But I'm not sure what else can I say, but it's really painful to watch this and not be sure what to do. It's a constant battle of mine. If I should adjust the trade after I enter or leave it as it is initially. Yeah, I don't know, maybe we can get some flush lower and then move higher. We have excess in F, G period low is weak, also F period high is weak, CD periods high are questionable. Overall we reached over 2 times the IB low, so we got pretty extended. Here I have this potential balance of last 2 days and I am getting stopped out right now. Or maybe I will get lucky. Anyway, it's bad trade execution on my part.